I sort of like maybe like when things aren't so formal or serious as maybe architecture often is. Hi, I'm Peyton Chiang. I'm a senior from Duncan and I'm studying architecture.
Hi, my name is Jefferson Shah. I'm a senior from Brown College and I'm also studying architecture and visual arts.
I'd always wanted to do architecture since I was little. It's always been a really nice blend of arts and problem solving, which has been really nice. And Rice having such a great program with a lot of unique features like the preceptorship program, it was kind of like a dream to come here. So I was really excited to be admitted and come here and meet all these great people like Jeff.
No objective.
I ended up choosing Rice because of the small class sizes. It's really been a good choice because I think I've really been able to get to know my peers and professors as well.
Rice has allowed for us to have a lot of opportunities to have hands-on experience with different, whether it be design competitions or gallery shows. It's just been a really fun opportunity to take the design skills we've learned in architecture and I guess Jeff with engineering and sort of VADA as well that we've both taken and combine them to do projects across campus.
Like you guys so aggressive.
Dude, it's more fun this way.
Like the seesaws or showing at Subi Cyborg and ArchiArts, and also most recently the show we had at Moody. This is our senior show for VADA. The senior class of the VADA department put together. So it's a culmination of all the work we've done this past year.
A lot of what I've been doing is just finding scrap material and sort of these tossed away objects and then treating them in a way where I guess different operations of disassembly and recombination, kind of transforming them into something new. It's nice to work on projects with someone else because you can always just bounce ideas off of each other, and I think through that sort of companionship and sort of teamwork, these ideas come out a lot stronger than they would on their own.
Coming to Rice and meeting Jeff and being able to do all these things has instilled a lot of confidence in myself and in each other. I think that has been really productive, and just being able to accomplish all these things while here at Rice has been extremely rewarding and definitely something that I'll remember for the rest of my life.